Behind me is a bridge with a steep valley. There's trains, traffic, and a river all the way down at the bottom. And tonight, I'm cooking, camping, and surviving.
Alright, I'm knee deep. I'm approximately where it fell.
And you're coming with me.
There's a guy just over the top of this hill. He was on his porch. He was barbecuing or something. So hopefully he doesn't mind me and he thinks I'm just a nature photographer or something like that. I'm so glad it's not raining. I was planning on camping on top of an abandoned Pizza Hut today, but I was worried about the rain, and I think I'd rather do that one when it's nicer outside. So make sure you stay tuned. I think there's a train coming. Wow. Behind me, there's a train. Unexpected train for the intro. All right, almost at the end of the bridge. Sun is in the perfect spot. Sunsets in about, I believe it's in about 2.5 hours.
Made it to the bridge now. Oh shit, I forgot. I'm not supposed to send this shit out.
I'm walking on these rocks. Suck. So that's why I parked over there. I gotta make my way over to that Esso later on. So before getting to the bridge, I had to stop at the grocery store. I got some tea. This flavor was Mother's Little Helper, whatever that means. I also grabbed some pre-cooked chicken. And then as I was leaving, I saw this lady playing with the seagulls, so I had to stop by.
Are you feeding them?
Yeah. I found it in a garbage room.
You found the bread in the garbage?
Yeah. They know when the car comes.
You come here every day?
Just about, yeah.
Oh, nice.
They're not here in the wintertime. Boy, you have two here and all of a sudden, wham, wham, wham. They will talk to each other.
I love seagulls.
Hey.
I do want to make sure there's no people down here. It looks pretty clean. I didn't realize how narrow that pathway is. Wow. We're not even that high up, but it would still not feel good if you fell from here. Not sure if you can hear or see, but it is very shaky, shakier than I remember. Even these grates in the floor. If my mic falls off right now, I'm like, look at that. That is scary. That is horrible. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is what I'm gonna hear all night. And there you have it. There's not much room. Oh yeah. This is camp for the night. This will work. I gotta get to the store. They're gonna close in an hour and a half. Not that it's gonna take very long. My bags are hiding in these trees. You can't really see them unless you know they're there. Walking past all these little restaurants, and I just smell French fries. I also just realized that I did not move the cot off of the bridge. So if anyone goes down there, a kid or a homeless or something, they're either stealing my cot or throwing it over the edge. So I really hope that that's there when I get back. I'm just getting to the store right now.
Would you like a receipt?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Very nice.
Now I'll admit, this shot was a lot better in my head originally, but I carried that milk in front of me the whole way back. Not only was my arm burning by the end of it, people were looking at me like I was stupid. So it's going in the video.
Oh, please tell me you guys enjoyed that shot. My arm is dying. It's still there. Awesome. Finally, I can set up camp and start cooking because I am starving and thirsty. Ow. There's some mean thorn bushes up here. Ow. Just so scared about dropping something, but you just gotta think. I haven't dropped anything really ever. So what makes that any different than now? See what I'm saying? literally right as I said it, but it didn't fall off. So like that gave me some, oh no, it bent. My tripod just...
If you made it this far, I'm gonna give you guys a little reward. Remember earlier when I said I was gonna camp on top of Pizza Hut? Well, I did it. So enjoy this sneak peek to my next video.
Dumb.
You?
This, I don't know.
Well, fuck, this is all your idea.
I wish I had a microwave.
Subscribe so you don't miss it. You might be wondering why they have walkways like this one underneath bridges. And the simple answer is, for me to camp on. Obviously. Look how well the cot fits. I have no clue what this walkway is actually for. If you know, comment it. Educate me. Or make something up. I'll believe it either way.
I'm most scared of the mic. Alright, so I dropped my microphone, like I thought, all the way down from the middle to the river. I just bought that. This is the first time I've used these microphones. And it came with two, so I have another one, so it's okay. But at the same time, if I can find it, and this is my adventure. Alright, I made it to the bottom. Really hard to see. Luckily, this river is not very deep. Guess I'm taking my shoes off. Okay. So that's practically right above me. That's pretty much where it fell. So I'm really hoping it's somewhere here. Alright, I'm knee deep. I'm approximately where it fell, possibly a little bit deeper. The water's actually surprisingly warm. Like, the light's definitely helping. There's a lot of sharp, very sharp rocks. There's actually no way. Look at this. That's it. That's it. I cannot believe that. That fell all the way from up there and I found it. I lost the top part, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I hope it still works. They're apparently waterproof, but I see some moisture in there. I'm gonna take it home, let it dry out. I cannot believe I found it.
Giving a little update on the DJI mic that fell from the bridge. It's been a couple days and I left it in rice for a full day. And then I took it out and I gave it a test and it did not sound good. It sounded really rough, really choppy. You know, there's a little bit of water on the inside. But then today, editing, I turned on the mic and this is the mic. This is the mic that fell down. It's actually unbelievable how, like, DJI makes a good product. Not only did it fall the height, it was in water for like 20 minutes probably. And it's got a little scratch. I don't know if you can see it. And I lost the windscreen. But other than that, it's perfect. This sounds great. Poe. Poe.
Alright, success. Like I said, I have no idea if it works, but just the satisfaction of finding it is extreme. I feel like I wanted to take a moment to use this as like an example that sometimes you just gotta keep going. You know, I dropped and I was so pissed. And I was up there looking down and I could have just stopped there, you know what I mean? I thought it floated away, but then I thought about it and I came down here as fast as I could with a light, not knowing if I'm gonna find it or not. Got completely soaked my phone a little bit, got my wallet wet, but it paid off in the end. I'm hungry now, I'm wet now. I gotta get back up there and not drop anything else. Now I gotta be extra careful. See ya. This is a little update on what I had to climb down and what I'm climbing up. But I'm almost there. All right, I made it back to home base. I'm not gonna drop anything else. I really hope not, at least, because that's maybe my one and only. But check this sunset out. Absolutely beautiful. Not raining as well, so I'm gonna take this wet stuff off and start dinner. This is dinner tonight. It's fettuccine alfredo. So they say. So I guess for dessert I've got some David's tea. I just love the taste of Mother's Little Helper. Guess I should turn the gas on. Bye-bye. Is this burning? I can't see. Oh, it's definitely burning. I don't know where my spoon is either. The chicken will absorb some of the water as well. I'm happy I didn't have to cook this in two portions. Initial bite, 7. A drip of Dawn and hopefully all that'll be gone. Check this out. iPhone camera is still picking up the light somehow. Look how scary this is. It's like the perfect amount for some tea. The thing I really like about these little propane heaters is they really heat up when you need them to. This is what the tea bag looks like. Minty, herby, and fruity with a slight tart taste. I'm being 100% honest, that tastes like peppermint tea and dirt. Do not get Mother's Little Helper. Like, it tastes good. Like, I kind of like that earthy taste sometimes, but like, because I'm outside on a bridge, it tastes good. But if I was at my house, I wouldn't be Mommy's Little Helper anymore. You know what, the second sip's a little bit better. That would be a cool job. The rumble from the train and the cars, it's such a weird feeling. Wow, it's pretty good too, actually. You can almost read that graffiti. This is updated. It's been a little bit. I haven't actually fallen asleep yet. Good morning. So yeah, I did not sleep very well last night. There was like 10 trains. There was more trains than I could count. But this view is worth it. I think if I had headphones, I could have slept a little bit better. Yeah, so it's about 5 a.m. I went to bed at like 1. I really didn't sleep at all. Alright, I'm all packed up for the most part. I'm gonna pull all the trash into the tarp and take it over there, throw it out. Sun's coming up pretty quick. So to be honest, sleep, not good. I don't know, I don't even know if I slept or not. Like, I think I felt like I slept, but temperature-wise was good. I was warm. It actually did get a little bit windy at night, and so having that tarp up did help for sure. And the cot was comfortable, so other than the noise and the trains honking, it was pretty comfortable. Bye-bye, bridge. See you next time. I think that was a success. Alright, made it out successfully without dropping anything else. I'm happy about that. I got lots of other cool videos planned, so stick around for that. If you enjoyed this one, if you're still watching, you probably liked it, so you should subscribe. Leave a comment, drop a like. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.